Welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. In this video, I'll provide an overview of Numbers, a fun educational app in Snowflake MultiTeach. The Numbers app is good for reinforcing basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division skills. Tap on the Numbers icon to open it. This will lead to a selection screen where you can select an operation. For each operation, students are presented with horizontally oriented math problems. Students move numbered balloons into boxes so that their combined values are equal to the answers in the rightmost boxes. If correct, the square will glow green. If the equation is solved incorrectly, the right box will show the incorrect response in red with an auditory cue, along with the correct response in green. Students can try problems over if they have chosen incorrect solutions. At the end of each round, the child is presented with visual feedback, such as a picture and a message. Students complete subtraction problems in a similar way to addition problems. For multiplication and division, students first select a flower and balloon with the math fact set they'd like to practice, and then solve the problems by moving the numerals to build equations. Equation bars can be moved about the display to support small groups of students working on different problems simultaneously. For each type of equation, Numbers works well in tabletop mode alone as it supports several students working on separate problems at the same time. Here it is alongside MathBugs in zones. Numbers can be part of a learning station in the classroom, where a group of students can access up to 4 apps and lessons simultaneously. Use the rotate and swap features to orient the apps on the display as needed. Here it is with MathBugs on the top, with the multiplication lesson from the MultiTeach Lessons community on the lower left, next to the Squares app. This has been an overview of MathBugs, a fun educational app in Snowflake MultiTeach. For more information about MultiTeach, the MultiTeach Lessons community, and Lessons Online, visit these links.